histogram is a bar graph where the bars are touching each other. The reason they're touching is because we can kind of flow from one to the next. Like my heights of young women, my categories go from 58 to 59. And 58 and 59 are consecutive numbers. So for that reason, we would have adjacent bars touching. The bars are touching for categories that are next to each other. So with my heights of young women, I'm going to do a histogram. There'll be a vertical line. This is the frequencies. Let me peek at the data. The highest one is 45, so that kind of tells me, yeah, maybe how I want to mark this off. The horizontal line is for the bars, for the categories. Let me give it a title. I'm going to say heights of young women. Maybe heights of college women. If you all were a sample that I thought that maybe the population was college women, and I drew from this class, that would be a sample. Maybe the heights of young women in Math 1029. Again, the horizontal line is the categories, which is the heights in inches. The vertical line is the frequencies. Now, the bars are not supposed to be straight up against the vertical line. You're supposed to leave a little gap. I'm going to leave a gap this big. Maybe that's more than a little gap. I have 6 categories. I'm going to need 6 bars. The first category is 56 to 58. I could write at this tick mark 56, at the next one 59, and so on. Or maybe I could just write horizontally 56 to 58. The next one is 59 to 61. Then I have 62 to 64. 65 to 67, 68 to 70. This next one I'll just write straight across, 71, 73. The highest frequency was 45, so I think I'll mark it off by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The first bar, 2 people said 56 to 58. So I'll estimate where 2 is, and that bar will go up to a frequency of 2. The 59 to 61, there were 13 people. That'll be right up against the previous bar. Take your best guess there where 13 is. Goes up to a height of 13. Now normally we wouldn't write on the side, but I might write on the side 13. The next one is my 45. Right up against the previous. So this will be the tallest of the bars. Usually they'll shade them in or something. Then I have 30. The next one, 9. And then 4. So a histogram showing the heights of the young women in the class.